Okay, class. Today we will learn some math. Excuse me, young man. Just burp. Say excuse me.
No, excuse me, but I'm going to fart.
Oh. Story Sprunki Parasite Horror. How dare you fart and burp at class? Now people get vomit because of you. That's IT. Go to the Principal Paris's office right now.
Oh,
I can't believe you. Fart and burp for classroom. That's it. You suspended for days. Go home now.
Story Sprunki Parasite Horror. How dare you burp and fart at classroom? That's it. You're grounded for today. Go to your room right now.
oh.